Alright, hopefully this is working. So every week I'm going to go ahead and post one of these. It's basically a screencast, and what I'm hoping is that it's going to give you guys a lot of information about what you need to do for that week. You guys are typically going to have kind of one larger activity that's going to cover um, a whole bunch of assignments. So you'll get credit for, let's say, 4 assignments for completing this one assignment because of the length of time that it's actually going to take. So we'll just start here. So you're going to want to start on Tuesdays, which is today, by going to the web page and looking at the calendar. So we can see the calendar is here. Now nothing is posted here just yet. I'm going to do that in just a sec so I can show you some places that you need to go, but I want to show you a few housekeeping things first. So the syllabus is here. You'll always have access to that, and hopefully you took a look at that yesterday and were able to get any questions in that you needed to ask. Over here is a completed work link. So if you click on this link, it's going to take you to a folder where all of your names are here, and you all have folders available to you. So what I'm going to need you to do, if I was Aiden and I was completing this first assignment, is I would do one of two things, and I'll show you that in a sec. I would either take photographs of my work, name it the correct name, and then drop it here in the folder. So what I would do is just give it the name of the assignment. So you're going to complete your work, you're going to go on the website, you're going to go to the completed work folder, you're going to find your personal folder, and you're going to drop your completed work in there. So hopefully there's no confusion there. That's how I'm actually going to put things into the gradebook for all of you. So make sure that you're doing that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this up on the calendar now. I'm going to go ahead and reload the web page. Okay, so housekeeping wise, hopefully we've got things figured out here. Let me move this real fast because I don't want a time. Let's see. Copy. Close. Assignment number 2 to 4. Summer School 2020. Save. What? Okay, hopefully that's, yeah. Alright, so that worked. Okay. Now go ahead and reload this again. Okay, so you're going to come here and you're going to see on Tuesday, that's today, so your first assignment was the Google form. If you click on this, you're going to get kind of, you're just going to get an explanation of what the assignment is. So for this week, you can see this is the video that you're actually watching, so I'm not hyperlinking that in yet. But you're going to watch this video first, and then you're going to go and you're going to complete this Google Sheets tutorial. So if I click on this hyperlink, that takes me to this Google Sheets tutorial. So you can see here you've got your overview, and then it asks you to do a few things actually in Google Sheets. Now, for the assignments that you guys are going to complete, would it be ideal if you had a paper copy that you could work off and use the Chromebook or a computer? Yeah, that would definitely be ideal. You might not have that though. So one thing that you could potentially do is you can make this much smaller. I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. You can actually have up 2 things at the same time. So if I just open another another browser window here, close this a little bit, this is actually going to allow me to have two things open at the same time. So that is potentially a strategy that you could take if you needed to. If you'd like a printed copy, I obviously live right next to the school. I'm happy to do something like that for you. You're just going to have to communicate that actually to me. So I'm happy to do that if that's something that you would want. All right. So going back to the website. So for this week, I want you to complete this Google Sheets tutorial first. And again, that's hyperlinked. It's right here. You'll go through and you'll basically just build this thing. Okay? All right. Now the second thing that you're going to need to do is you've got two options. This is the actual activity itself. So you can use this hyperlink, which is going to take you to the student handout. Okay, looks like this. This is the work. You can see up in the right-hand corner, right up here, this is the activity, this is the student handout. These are the things that you would need. This is what you need to complete. So you can do it that way, or you can go directly to the website. And I want to show you that right now, and I'll show you how that works. So if I go straight to the website where it says here, if I click on Student Handout, what's nice about this is that it's the exact same thing, except this will actually allow you to type into, so I'm just going to say this is a vegetable. It'll actually allow you to type in to the actual assignment, and then you'll always have the option, in this case, it's going to probably look a little bit different on your Chromebook, but if I go up here to File, and actually, oh, here we go. I should be able to download this to my computer, and I can do that. So I could download this and then upload it into the completed work folder with all of this